Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something very special to share with you, an exclusive opportunity to get a lifetime 20% commission rebate on Binance, plus exciting active campaign bonuses. Yes, you heard that right, 20% for life and extra bonuses. Now, this isn't your everyday Binance offer. This is a special, limited time promotion that you won't find just anywhere. And guess what? I have the inside scoop for you. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can get this commission rebate and campaign bonuses step by step. So, stick around and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a brand new Binance account using the special referral link I've provided in the description below. This link is crucial to unlocking this exclusive commission rebate and participating in the active campaign. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be taken to the Binance sign-up page. Follow the prompts and create your account. Now, here's where it gets interesting. By using this referral link, you'll get a lifetime 20% commission rebate on every trade you make, and you'll also be registered for the ongoing active campaign. Here's a breakdown of how you get the lifetime 20% commission rebate and active campaign bonuses. Sign up via referral link. Make sure you sign up using the referral link in the description. This is the key to unlocking the lifetime 20% commission rebate and participating in the active campaign. Trade as usual. Once your account is active, you'll automatically get a 20% commission rebate on every trading fee you incur. The more you trade, the bigger the rebate. Active campaign bonuses. In addition to the commission rebate, you'll also have the chance to get extra bonuses from the ongoing active campaign. These bonuses can include cash prizes, vouchers, or other exciting rewards. This rebate applies to every trade you make on Binance, with no time limit. The active campaign bonuses will vary depending on the type of campaign that's ongoing. So, make sure you always stay updated with the latest information from Binance. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth it? And the answer is a resounding yes. This is a fantastic opportunity to maximize your trading potential by significantly reducing costs and getting extra bonuses. Remember, this offer is exclusive and not something you'll find every day. So, if you're thinking about starting to trade on Binance or want to maximize your trading potential, now is the perfect time. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the link in the description below to sign up for Binance and get your lifetime 20% commission rebate, as well as participate in the active campaign. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them all. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your commission rebate and campaign bonuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting crypto opportunities.